Anyone who knows me knows that I love flameless candle. I love giving the gift of ambiance. This set of 3 is really magical. First of all, you have a staggered size. You have a 5, a 6, and a 7-inch. They're on timers, which means 6 hours on, 18 hours off. So you can set them to come on every evening at the same time. They're going to take 2 AA batteries, but here's the magic. They all twinkle. They're fiber optic. They have 360 degrees of these beautiful fiber optic lights that I have specifically picked exactly where to place them. So follow me over here and I'll show you an example in our beautiful peppermint and holly. So here you can see in all of the holly sprigs around the peppermint, I've strategically placed the fiber optics so that everything is twinkling, everything is cascading, and they have the look of real wax. They have that flickering candle tip right there, which is just beautiful and ties the whole piece together. Here we have our snowflakes. I love this for all season long. I actually chose charcoal lights and white lights that bring, of course, all of these snowflakes to life. And you have beautiful colors of charcoal and dove gray, really pretty for, again, to put out the whole holiday season. Then here we have our poinsettia. This is that true traditional Christmas where I've accented each one with a beautiful cardinal. The lights that twinkle are a red and a green, yet you have that soft, warm glow up top. But no matter which way you're looking at these, because you have 360 degrees of twinkling, 360 degrees of fiber optic lights, it doesn't matter whether you're tucking these somewhere or leaving them down the center, or even just putting them in some of your candle holders. And then this is just cuteness overload. Like, I love our whimsy characters, all in our C9 bulbs. We have all of those fiber optics strategically placed, and you have the characters on the front and the back. So I'm always decorating things to be beautiful when they're not lit, as well as when they're lit, and to be beautiful 360 degrees, whether it be the pattern or it be, of course, those fiber optic details. Remember, they're all gonna come in an individual gift box, 3 staggered heights, and this truly is the gift of ambiance at an incredible, affordable value to, again, have 3 candles with that great timer. These are a must for the holidays.